Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to simply go to Services tab and click here to open it. Now find out Windows Update. Here it is. Right click on it and select Restart. And again right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, just close this window, then open settings. Once we are here, we need to click on these three lines and go to Windows Update. Now you need to just go to the advanced options and enable all these four options one by one. Once done, just go to delivery optimization, again scroll down, go to advanced options, and now we need to check this option, percentage of measured bandwidth, and select this one, keep this up to the 100% and simply close the window. Once done, you need to restart your system and your problem will be solved and you're good to go. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.